Hello ladies and gentlemen who are staying at home currently and saving our Mother Earth right now. There are some latest WhatsApp features and tricks that I want to share with you guys that would surely be beneficial. Stay with me until the end of this video for an important announcement. Being said, hey, this is Veer and you're watching TechSide. One of the annoying things that WhatsApp has changed recently is the reduction of the status time from 30 seconds to its half, that is 15 seconds, which would be so difficult to upload status manually. No worries, you can add status by using this app called WhatsApp, which will crop and upload the status automatically for you. Just select the video you want to upload and share. It's done. As simple as that. Next up is an audio trick. Transcribe for WhatsApp is an amazing app that will surely be helpful for the WhatsApp lovers to read the audio message. Wait, what? Yes, you heard me right. You can read the WhatsApp message by converting it into a text. Thus might be handy in some crazy scenarios. Just long press on the audio message and share it to the transcribe option. Voila, the message has been converted. Make sure you do as mentioned in the transcriber too. Next one is also an audio trick that you can check the audio, how you sound before sending the audio message. You want to know how? Just record your WhatsApp message and click on the home or back button. Now click on the same chat you initially recorded the message with. Now you must be able to play the audio and check the correctness of the message. One of the best features that WhatsApp is gonna release is the advanced search option. Currently it's in the testing stage and only available for the beta users. By this option, you can search for a specific message in the internet, whether the message is legitimate or not. And this also features the media sorting, in which it will provide different media such as photo and video in different colors. The WhatsApp on the iOS platform has already have this feature. This is a trick called unread response, in which the person can see the message without seeing, without the blue ticks, which will be handy in critical situations by the Cupid followers. And this is how. Just turn on your flight mode and view the message in the WhatsApp. Close the WhatsApp and clear it from the recents as well. Now turn off the flight mode. You can even send a message while in flight mode so that you will be able to send messages to your dear ones without letting others know your so-called last scene.
I would rather turn off the last scene.
That is one of the options, but some could not. And there's one more trick for this. Most of you might have already known this, and that is by using a widget from WhatsApp itself. The only disadvantage is that you can't view a long message on this. Next thing is a simple trick but yet efficient. You can recover the deleted WhatsApp message. How does it sound? The only thing you need to do is install an application called WAMR. This application just saves all the notification from your phone, and thus even if the message has been deleted, you're good to go with reading the message from here. How does it sound? And that's it for the video, guys. Being said, these are some features on WhatsApp. Wait. There is some small announcement. As you guys might know, Zoom going boom. Indian government had launched a video conferencing app challenge in which the winner will be awarded with ₹1 crore for the Zoom alternative. But currently the news has been changed to that the government confirmed the app called Say Namaste as the Zoom alternative and will be commercially available soon on Android and iOS. Being said, hey, this is Veer signing off. Bye bye.